Choose to rent. Advancing events through technology.
In this video, we will cover how to properly load and calibrate badge paper in the Epson C4000. Insert the power cable into the back of the printer. Power on the printer. Feed the badge paper in with black timing mark facing down and the blank side facing up. Lift the blue lever to adjust the take-in guides. Tap the pause button to unpause the printer and advance the paper through. The pause indicator light will turn off. Tap on the cut button to cut the badge. The status light will remain on if there is an issue, or until the printer is fully calibrated. If you plan to print from your Windows laptop, please continue to our Windows laptop setup video, and calibrate from your computer. Tap on the OK button to enter the media settings, choose your media type, choose media form. For our example, we are using synthetic. Verify your media type. If your paper tears, select plain paper. If your paper is tear resistant, select synthetic. Under media form, tap on continuous paper. Under media detect, select black mark. If your badges are separated by a black mark in the back, choose black mark. If your badges are separated by a translucent gap, choose gap. Under media source, select rear feed. Under media shape, select fan fold. Under media layout, type in your paper's dimensions. Our example is 4 by 6. Press the OK button to access the Settings menu, and from Maintenance, navigate to Calibration. Tap on Simple Media Detect, and Start, to begin paper calibration. When the printer is fully calibrated and there are no issues preventing it from printing, the status light will remain off. For more information, visit choose2rent.com/help.